Satnam, recently I got a question, a very nice question, which asks, how do you make spirituality a habit? How do you make it a habit to be living the beautiful sattvic spiritual life? Beautiful question, I loved it. Because it's not easy. You see, if you're having alcohol every day, you're having non-vegetarian food every day, you're partying every day, how to break out of it and then suddenly immediately shift to living a sattvic and spiritual life? It's not easy. In fact, I would call it impossible. The way I do it, the way I'm going to recommend for you to do it, is to take a clean break, go on a retreat, go on a spiritual journey. It could be 4 days, it could be 8 days, it could be 12 days. That's what I do. Because once a year, what I do is I go for a Vipassana course. It's a 10-day meditation course where you're supposed to sit in silence. Or I'll go for an Ayurveda retreat for 14 days. Or I will go for a yoga retreat for 21 days. Now, why I'm suggesting this to you is because once you've taken this clean break from your decadent lifestyle, from your non-spiritual lifestyle, that 8 days, that 10 days, it's like a reset button. You are resetting everything back to that waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning, having a breakfast on time, having a lunch on time, having a dinner on time, sleeping on time, in between doing your yoga, doing your meditation. All of those things which nourish your soul, shows you the meaning of happiness, bliss and joy. So, I love this question, how do you make spirituality a habit? You can't make it by sitting in your home, by being in the same situation that you always used to be, where everything is so accessible to you, your alcohol, your coffee, distractions, your games, your Instagram, all of these things is so distracting for you. It's never going to allow you to walk on the path of spirituality. The only way to make spirituality a habit is to choose that part of the year, that part of the month, where you take a clean break from it and go away into a zone which nourishes your soul. That's why we started Anahata retreats. For the last 9 years, we've been taking people out on these kind of journeys, these kind of retreats, these kind of events where they get reconnected to their soul, and when they come back, they're different human beings, they're different people, they're different souls. Make spirituality a habit, the best habit you'll ever have. Live a beautiful life, and Satnam.